In a chilling display of political cohesion, ZANU-PF Senator and State Security Minister Lovemore Matuke has openly threatened the newly installed Chief Nyamandi of Gutu, Bon Togara Masunda, warning him that his position is now tied to unwavering loyalty to the ruling party. Sanabana mashoko obuda pangwa ino achithreatenewa to this chief achinzi, if you don't support ZANU-PF, we will remove you. Sarabana mashoko obuda pangwa ino ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipina Manamo Buda Nyoko Mchinzi, addressing the traditional leader at the installation ceremony recently, Matuke made it clear that Chief Nyamandi is expected to serve as an active ZANU-PF functionary going forward. The veiled threat was unambiguous. Political neutrality would not be tolerated. From today onwards, you are a government official and the government is ZANU-PF. If you don't support the president, you don't deserve to occupy the seat, Matuke declared. The remarks have triggered national outrage as they blatantly violate Section 281 of the Zimbabwe Constitution, which explicitly prohibits traditional leaders from participating in partisan politics. The law says that chiefs must not be members of any political party or in any way participate in partisan politics. Yet Matuke's threats were delivered publicly without shame, exposing the deep-rooted disregard for constitutional governance within the ruling elite. Legal experts and civil society groups have long warned about the increasing politicization of traditional leadership structures, often used by ZANU-PF as tools of rural control and election manipulation. This latest incident reinforces the belief that chiefs are being transformed into enforcers of party loyalty rather than neutral custodians of community, culture, and justice. What is particularly troubling is that the threat came from a senior government official, someone entrusted with the national security, openly endorsing unconstitutional conduct. Despite Zimbabwe's constitutional democracy, moments like these illustrate a growing culture of impunity, where laws exist only on paper instead of upholding the law. Instead of upholding the rule of law, those in power bend institutions to serve partisan interests. Ndo mashwari kuda pangwa ino utaugwa na Lovemore Matuke. Mbodza mafunguro enyi matuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.